Hi dear students, welcome to my channel TJ CBSE classes. Here we are discussing one more problem related to Ohm's law. Some difficulties there to solve this problem because if you are taking voltmeter and ammeter reading, if any zero correction and zero error is there, then we should correct and zero correction and zero error in the voltmeter and ammeter reading. Here one problem is there. Here ammeter and voltmeter readings, initial readings are given and final readings are given here in the board. Here ammeter reading, initial, actually it is not coincide with the zero, and voltmeter also there is it is not coincide with the zero reading. So first of all we should correct that error. Here the ammeter reading, first of all we should take least count of the given ammeter and the given voltmeter. Least count, how to calculate range divided by number of divisions. Here range in the initial reading it is 0 to 2. 0 to 2 it is how many divisions are there in 0 to 2 divisions? How many divisions? 10 divisions are there. Then 2 by 10 is the least count. 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is 0.2 ampere is the least count of the ammeter. Next we should correct zero error, and the error occurred in the ammeter and voltmeter. Here first of all we should rectify the ammeter reading. Zero correction is here after 0 2 division is excess before taking reading. Then we should correct that. For 2 division it is for 1 division it is 0.2, then for 2 division how much? 2 into 0.2, then it is 0.4. Okay, actually it is excess, then we should minus it. Okay, zero correction is minus 0.4 ampere. Okay, then we go to voltmeter reading. Least count is here 0 to 5, how many divisions? Again 10 divisions, then 5 by 10 it is 0.5 volt is the least count of the voltmeter. Then here it is the reading, the needle is here in less than 0 reading, then 3 division is less, then 3 into 0.5. 3 into 0.5 is plus 0.15. Why it is plus? Here it is the reading is, the needle is less than 0, then zero correction will be plus 0.15 volt. Okay, here initial stage is over. Then the final reading of voltmeter and ammeter reading is given here. The ammeter reading is actually the needle is after 6 ampere. After 6 ampere means how many divisions are there? Here divisions after 6, 2 divisions are there. Then for 2 division, for 1 division it is 0.2, then for 2 division it is 2 into 0.2, then 0.4. Then final reading is 6.4 ampere. 6.4 ampere is the final reading. Then actually here the ammeter reading 2 reading is excess. Okay, then we should correct that reading. Then correct ammeter reading is the 6.4. Here 6.4 minus 0.4. 6.4 minus 0.4 it is 6 ampere. Then the same way we should calculate the voltmeter reading also. Here voltmeter readings after 6, how many divisions are there? After 10. After 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 1 division it is 0.5, then for 7 division it is 7 into 0.5. Then it will be 0.35. Then after 10, after 10 volt means 10.35 is the voltmeter reading. Here also some correction is there. Then we should correct the voltmeter reading. Then corrected voltmeter reading is 10.35 plus the zero correction of the voltmeter, it is plus 0.1. 0.35 plus 0.15, it is 10.5. Okay, then how to calculate resistance? We can apply Ohm's law. After applying of Ohm's law, resistance of the given resistance varies corrected voltmeter reading by corrected ammeter reading. Okay, corrected voltmeter reading by corrected ammeter reading. Corrected voltmeter reading is 10.5. 10.5 by corrected ammeter reading is 6 ampere. Then 10.5 by 6. 10.5 by 6 is equal to 105 by 60. Okay, then cut with 3. Then here 20. Here 35. Here again with the 5. Then here 4. Here 7. 7 by 4 is equal to 1.75 ohm. 1.75 ohm is the resistance of the given wire. Thank you.